the antiderivative of the second derivative will be the first derivative. So let's look for the general solution. We're going to apply the power rule. So it's x to the third divided by 3 plus c. Now we know that the first derivative is x to the third divided by 3 plus c. The value of the first derivative is given for a particular solution. F of 0 is equal to 6. Therefore, 6 is equal to 0 cubed over 3 plus c. And c, the constant, is 6 for that particular solution. Therefore, f prime of x is equal to x cubed divided by 3 plus 6. The antiderivative of f prime of x will be f of x. So we take the antiderivative of x cubed over 3 plus 6. The general solution will be, well, divided by 3 is multiplied by 1/3. And the integral of x cubed will be x to the 4th over 4, 3 plus 1. And the antiderivative of 6 is 6x plus c. Now the general solution is f of x is equal to x to the 4th over 12 plus 6x plus c. Particular value is given. F of 0 is equal to 3, the initial condition. Therefore, 3 is equal to 0 to the 4th divided by 12 plus 6 times 0 plus c. Now we have c equal to 3. Then we can write f of x as x to the 4th divided by 12 plus 6x plus 3.